Hi, today's word of the day is Gallimaufry. What does it mean? I'll show you. Today, I'm making the world's greatest recipe. Pizza, ice cream, broccoli, noodles, popcorn, ketchup, chocolate syrup, pickles.
Perfect! That's not dinner, that's a Gallimaufry!
A crazy mixture of lots of different things. That's called a Gallimaufry. Baby Dino made a Gallimaufry by mixing pizza, ice cream, broccoli, and popcorn into one bowl. Next time, maybe I'll just make a sandwich.
Please do!
Gallimaufry means a confused mixture of many different things. Follow and subscribe to ABC Wordzilla for more funny English words.
Subscribe ABC Wordzilla channel for more words.